Hey, what's up, nerds? So, I made another YouTube channel and I forgot to tell you guys. That's my bad. So, I was talking to my friend who's a YouTuber. His name's Flesh Simulator, and he was like, I think your channel's stalled. So he recommended I start a new channel, that he would help me promote it a little bit, and it did a little bit better than I normally do here. So I just decided to just keep posting there. It's called Wrenchathon. It's basically the same stuff that I was doing here. It's less how-to and more like documentary style. And then I did a lot more color grading to some of the episodes so that it looks more like cinematic, because it's just something I'm into right now and I like doing it. So if you want to follow it, please check it out. You know, I'd really appreciate it. So I don't have any new cars. I don't have anything crazy going on. There's no like insane life updates. I just was doing stuff over there. And I would like to at least post once a month, but I don't have the time. You know, I'm a dad. I work a full-time job. The job is 2 hours away from my house. I'm in a band, you know, so all of this stuff is taken away from my time to work on my cars and then also film it and edit it and all that. I post about every 6 to 8 weeks over there. I would like to get a better posting schedule. I'd like to do it once a week like I was doing here for a long time, but I just don't have the mental energy to do so. So if you feel like checking me out, please do. I'd appreciate it. If you don't, I understand. And it's just what I've been doing. So thanks for watching. An hour a day will make the jack stands go away. Sometimes you gotta start a new YouTube channel to get more views.
My usual fun game of like, how long will this temporary repair last is not fun when it comes to gasoline. For one, it's expensive. And two, it's really dangerous. You know, I know I'm gonna die someday. I don't want to die on fire in this fucking wagon.